name is Charles Bruce. I'm the Senior Contracts Manager for GVK Siya Zama. We're the main contractors responsible for the construction of the key 7 projects which we are filming at today.
Our history as Coral Brick with GVK goes back quite long. GVK obviously specializing in heritage type buildings, and a lot of those heritage type buildings are made with brick.
We have up to 11 different face brick designs on this project, and they vary from complex designs to real intricate kind of finicky work where the team needs to do quality control on a daily basis.
So I was very fortunate to be involved in the inception of the project, having dealt with the architects as well. And I know from my conversations with the various architects, it was clear that they needed 2 things. The one that they were looking for was a brick that was going to be quite tight in terms of its tolerances, because GVK are doing all these patterns. The brick needed to be quite neat and consistent in terms of the sizing so that they can get their lines right, which is what the artisanal honey actually does very well. The other thing that I think the architect also wanted in this particular project is they wanted something different, something unique.
Some of the benefits to using clay bricks are they're naturally durable, thermally sustainable, and they're low maintenance. So some of the production processes actually allows Coral Brick to reduce waste over time.
So the artisanal honey product was chosen by the design team mainly because of its color. So it's a very muted honey color. Obviously, because the building is going to be made entirely of bricks, important that the brick not stand out too much, but be there. Other than the muted color, has a very unique texture. In fact, it's a first in South Africa, but it's got a sort of an aged, worn-in look, which I think fits in quite nicely with the V&A waterfront and the context around here.
GVK has adopted an in-house training program where we've taken 9 different bricklaying companies to train various individuals in the skill set required for the face brick artisan work for this special designs that we have. Which means it's a transition of skill set from one generation to the next generation so that the skill of face brick is not lost for future generations and building contractors out there.